Fully 2/3 of what we do is engineering custom tool solutions for customers.
Custom tooling has become more important based on the demands of our industry.
We can design an engineered tool for your part, for your component, so we give you the benefit of a full special and machining efficiencies all at once. We get that tool to a customer and then we meet them at the spindle.
It creates less tool changes. It makes high productive, high efficiencies. The customer can get return on investment very quickly.
Our engineers collaborate with our customers' engineers, and we look at the specific requirements of a customer's need in their environment. Everyone is unique. Every situation is unique, so you need unique solutions.
The breadth of our custom tools is second to none in the industry.
There really isn't a cutting tool that we can't manufacture. We provide the best outcome for our customers with custom tools.